If you've ever woken up with stiff joints, aching knees, or that familiar soreness in your lower back, you know how much it can affect your mood and energy for the whole day. Imagine if you could start your morning with something that not only tastes amazing, but also works quietly in the background to help reduce inflammation, support joint health, and boost your mobility. That's exactly what we're creating today, a pain relief smoothie recipe designed specifically for people over 45 who want a natural, delicious way to feel better. And just so we're clear, this is a supportive measure, not a replacement for any medical treatment or advice from your doctor. Always follow your healthcare provider's guidance for diagnosis and care. This smoothie isn't just random ingredients thrown together, it's built around the 7 pain-fighting foods we talked about earlier. Tart cherries, berries, fatty fish. Yes, there's a way to add this in if you want. Extra virgin olive oil, leafy greens, turmeric, ginger, and legumes. Each one brings unique anti-inflammatory compounds that can help calm pain and stiffness. Together, they create a nutrient-packed, anti-inflammatory powerhouse that can fit into your daily routine. Think of it as your natural arthritis remedy in a glass of drink that supports your body from the inside out. We start with tart cherries, because they bring that sweet tart flavor and a big dose of anthocyanins, which are plant compounds proven to reduce inflammation. Tart cherry juice is also a joint pain relief drink favorite in many studies, especially for people with arthritis or post-exercise soreness. Next, we layer in mixed berries, blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries full of polyphenols and vitamin C to protect joint cartilage and help collagen production. Then we add a handful of leafy greens, like spinach or kale, for magnesium and antioxidants that help muscles relax and reduce cramping. For the spice factor, we bring in turmeric and ginger. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound that blocks inflammatory pathways, while ginger brings gingerols, which help reduce pain perception and improve circulation. Adding just half a teaspoon of turmeric and a quarter teaspoon of ginger to your smoothie can deliver noticeable benefits over time. And remember, pairing turmeric with a pinch of black pepper can increase curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. Now, you might be wondering, how do fatty fish and legumes fit into a smoothie? This is where we get creative. For omega-3s, you can use a vegan-friendly source such as algae oil, which blends smoothly without affecting the flavor. For legumes, a small scoop of cooked lentils or chickpeas blends into a creamy texture and boosts the protein content, turning this smoothie into a meal replacement for busy mornings. Alternatively, a plant-based protein powder made from peas or soy works well and is easier for most people to adapt to. Here's the pain relief smoothie recipe step by step so you can make it at home. Ingredients: 2 ounces unsweetened tart cherry juice, anti-inflammatory, joint pain relief drink. A half cup mixed berries, blueberries, raspberries, strawberries. 1 cup leafy greens, spinach or kale. A half cup plain Greek yogurt for probiotics, protein, and joint support. A half cup unsweetened almond milk or oat milk. A half tsp ground turmeric and a quarter tsp ground ginger. A pinch of black pepper. 1 scoop plant-based protein powder, pea or soy, or a quarter cup cooked lentils or chickpeas. 1 tsp extra virgin olive oil, optional, for oleocanthal anti-inflammatory effect. A half tsp raw honey or stevia, optional for sweetness. Instructions: add all ingredients to a high-speed blender. Blend until completely smooth. Taste and adjust sweetness if desired. Serve immediately for maximum freshness and nutrient potency. Ingredients: the beauty of this recipe is how easy it is to adapt. If you don't like almond milk, switch to oat or hemp milk. If you're dairy-free, skip the yogurt and add an extra scoop of plant protein. If you want even more anti-inflammatory benefits, toss in a tablespoon of ground flaxseed or chia seeds. They add omega-3s and fiber, which help reduce systemic inflammation and improve gut health. Now, let's talk about why this works, because understanding the why helps you stay motivated. The tart cherry juice and berries are your antioxidant heavyweights. They help lower oxidative stress, which is a major trigger for inflammation. The leafy greens bring magnesium and vitamin K, helping muscles relax and supporting bone strength. Turmeric and ginger target pain at the chemical level, blocking inflammatory compounds before they can cause discomfort. The protein from yogurt, legumes, or powder helps rebuild muscle tissue, which is especially important for seniors to maintain mobility and prevent frailty. And if you include omega-3s from plant-based sources like flax or chia, you're giving your body the tools it needs to calm inflammation long-term. I like to call this the daily joint insurance smoothie because every sip is like making a deposit into your long-term mobility account. It's not about a quick fix. It's about stacking small, consistent choices that keep you active, independent, and pain-free for years to come. Many people start to notice a difference within a couple of weeks, not because this smoothie is magic, but because it often replaces breakfast choices that can fuel inflammation, like pastries, sugary cereals, or processed meats. Those foods can spike inflammation and make pain worse, while this smoothie actively works to lower it. If you want to maximize the benefits, try drinking this smoothie in the morning. Your body is often more receptive to anti-inflammatory compounds earlier in the day, and it sets you up with steady energy instead of the mid-morning crash from refined carbs. Preparing the ingredients in freezer bags ahead of time can make the process effortless, just add liquid when you're ready to blend. Now imagine this. It's a Tuesday morning, you've got your smoothie in hand, and you realize you're moving through your day with less stiffness than you've felt in months. You walk the dog, do some light gardening, maybe even take a stroll with a friend without worrying about your knees or hips. That's the ripple effect of building habits around foods that support your body. I'd like you to try this recipe for the next 14 days. Keep the rest of your diet the same, but add this smoothie each morning. Then, pay attention to how your body responds. Do you feel less stiff in the morning? Is it easier to move throughout the day? Your experience could inspire someone else who's been looking for a simple, natural way to feel better. And remember, everything we've discussed here is meant to support your health, not replace medical diagnosis or treatment. Always consult your healthcare provider before making major changes to your diet, especially if you have existing conditions or take medication. Your health is an investment, not an expense. And sometimes, the best investments start with something as simple as what you put in your blender each morning. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss more natural health tips designed for life after 45. Share this video with a friend or loved one who might benefit from a simple daily habit like this smoothie. And in the comments below, tell me if you'll be trying it for the next 14 days and what changes you notice along the way. Your story could be the encouragement someone else needs to start their own journey toward feeling stronger, more mobile, and more energized.